Okay, hey guys, welcome to my channel Wiseman, and today I will show you unboxing and review of resistance band. I purchased this from Amazon, and let's open this. So it is by NS resistance set from company NS. So it is having about 125 lb of total weight. So you can see that we have a black, green, blue, red, yellow, and the weights are given for each of these bands. Safety instruction is given on this box. So it comes in a box, and it is an S company. Now let's open this and see what we are getting. We are getting a bag, and in this bag, so the price that I gave for this is 29 dirhams. Oh my. Okay, so as you can see, the bands, it has the fixture like this, and it is on both the sides. It is procuring like this. It is elongating in this kind of way, and it is having these hooks which are small compared to one which I have earlier, but the quality is okay. You can have this for 29 dirhams. It is fine. So quality is okay for these hooks. And if I see the rubber or the elastic bands that we have, so it is okay, and we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 different bands. Now along this we have this knee strap, or you can say leg strap, that you can use. These two are wrist strap for doing hand exercise. So it is having this grip, which is nice. Color is nice, orange and black combination. The thing is that as you can see, this part of grip, or I can say this handle which we have, it is not straight over there, so it is bending. So if you use this, it will be remain like this. So the chances of failure will be more. It is not straight because this hole size is lesser compared to the width size of this band. So that's the fun thing, you have to look it up. This is the door hanger, you can say, where you can just use this to tie the bands along the door. The stitching is looking okay, and it is rubber cushion. And we have one more leg strap. So we are getting 2 leg strap, 2 hand strap, or you can say 2 handles, and 1 door knob. And we are getting one manual in which it is shown that what exercise you can do using this resistance band. Overall, I will say it is okay, not so good compared to one which I have previously. So I hope this video will be helpful to you. If it is helpful, hit the like button and subscribe my channel Wiseman.